This is the Denny High School My World of Work Ambassadors. In this video we're going to talk about the course choice and careers linked to practical woodwork. You can study practical woodwork up to National 5. These are some of the areas it focuses on. The course focuses on building practical skills and most of your time will be spent in the workshop. You will learn how to use a range of tools and machines safely and effectively to create a range of woodwork projects. You will learn how to read working drawings and use measuring and marking tools to make your work accurate. There is also a theory element in the course, and at National 5 there is a written exam to sit which tests your knowledge of tools, materials and joints. In S1 and S2 you have done woodshop projects like knots and crosses, key rings or tea light holders. It also links to some of the key skills we talk about in S1 and 2. Your thinking skills are important for practical woodwork because you will have to understand information, usually drawings, and work through your projects. You need good numeracy skills because you will have to measure and mark your work accurately. Problem-solving skills will help you work out the best tools and techniques to use based on the drawings you are given. Respect and reliability are very important because you have to be able to keep yourself and others safe in the workshop. Look after your tools and the equipment in the workshop. Practical woodwork can help you in a range of careers after school. If you want to get working and earning money straight from school, the National 5 course can be a great route into an apprenticeship in joinery, construction, or a number of other trades. There are a wide range of specialised areas that you can learn at college or university that can take you into loads of exciting careers. There are a huge range of careers linking to woodworking in areas from theatre and film to furniture design. There is always demand in the construction industry, housing in particular. There are also lots of options to be self-employed, working as a contractor or start a small business. To learn more about careers with woodworking, log on to myworldofwork.co.uk or speak to one of the ambassadors in school.